Welcome back, traders. In this video, we are going to break down the SMC Reversal Strategy. Okay, it's one of the most effective smart money concepts for identifying when the market is about to change direction. First of all, let us talk about what a reversal really is. Okay, a reversal is when price shifts from one trend into the opposite. For example, you can see here we were having price forming higher highs and higher lows, right? But then suddenly we had a lower low and a lower high, right? So a reversal is when the market changes from bullish to bearish, or when it changes from bearish to bullish. But the key to the SMC reversal strategy is not just spotting this shift after it happens, but anticipating it through liquidity, structure, and institutional behavior. The first concept to understand is liquidity sweeps. Okay, before a reversal, the market often takes out liquidity resting above highs or below lows. So this means that retail traders who place stop losses in obvious areas are taken out, and institutions use that liquidity to fuel their own moves in the opposite direction. Whenever you see a strong sweep of highs or lows, it can be the first clue that a reversal may be forming. Okay? The second concept is market structure shifts, also known as a break of structure. After liquidity is taken, all right, after liquidity is taken, the market often changes its structure by breaking the most recent, significant high or low in the opposite direction. For example, in an uptrend, after sweeping liquidity above a major high, the price may break a recent swing low, signaling the potential start of a bearish reversal. Now, the third concept is the order block, which often forms at the point of reversal. An order block is the last bullish or bearish candle before a strong move in the opposite direction. Okay, so here we had equal lows. Okay, we had equal lows around here, right? But then we had a break of structure around this zone, at a break of structure. So in that case, we had a bearish order block here, right? Had a bearish order block, and you can see that price actually came and tested that order block, which is around that point of reversal. You can see that the price is coming to fail, or rather, it has mitigated the order block and it's now moving in the direction of the reversal. Okay, so these candles, the order block candles, represent institutional positioning, and price frequently returns to these zones before continuing in the new direction. Identifying these blocks gives you a high probability area to watch for entry confirmation. Okay, so here's the step-by-step process for using the SMC reversal strategy. So step one is to look for liquidity sweeps above or below obvious highs and lows. In this case, it's above obvious high, right? Look for liquidity sweeps above obvious high, like what we can see happen here. All right. Then the step two is to wait for a break of structure in the opposite direction, which we can see happen around here, right? Break of structure in the opposite direction of the current trend. Then step three is to identify the order block that caused the shift, which is this. So we identified the order block and you mark it as a potential entry point or entry zone. Right. Step 4 is to just align this with the higher, with the overall higher time frame structure to confirm that the reversal is not just a short-term pullback but a genuine shift in market direction. Okay, but if you're a higher time frame trader, then of course you're doing your analysis on your higher time frame, executing on the higher time frame and all of that. But if you want to execute your trades on the lower time frame, you can still do your analysis on the higher time frame before you go down to go and look for precise entry points. Okay, so you can see that here price actually came and entered our order block zone, and the order block got mitigated, and we can see that price is now, coming down in the direction of our reversal, bearish reversal. Okay, so by combining these steps, you start to see the market in the way institutions do. Instead of chasing price, you are now, identifying where smart money has entered and where they are likely to move the market next. Okay, so let us recap. Okay, reversals are signaled by liquidity sweeps. All right, a true reversal requires a break of structure. Order blocks mark the footprints of institutional moves, and higher time frame analysis confirms the strength of the reversal. Now, when you put all of these pieces together, you have a powerful strategy that does not rely on lagging indicators, but instead reads price directly. Now, I'm not saying that you can't perhaps use a couple of indicators for confirmation. You can as well add indicators for confirmation, although that is unnecessary. Okay, but if you are the type that likes to get as many confirmations as possible, you can still decide to add maybe one indicator or two just for the purpose of confirming the reversal. All right, maybe if you add RSI, for example, and then RSI is giving you maybe the RSI is giving you a bearish momentum, right? Like around here, you can see how the RSI is already pointing downwards. So perhaps if you're a fan of indicators, you can still add indicator, get extra confirmation from. It could be a moving average. You can use moving average, you can use RSI, you can use any other indicator of your choice. But basically, just make sure that your chart is not clustered. Okay, so you found this breakdown of the SMC reversal strategy useful. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more smart money concept trading guides. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.